A time ago, 1,000 turkeys were donated to some local people who could really use a break this holiday. Marielle Liu is just back in our newsroom. She details the story. Good afternoon, Marielle.
Leon, good afternoon. The Minutemen organization teamed up with the Hunger Network of Cleveland and pinpointed areas in Northeast Ohio where the most need could be met. And today alone, almost 1,200 families walked away smiling. And the line wound through the church and all the way down the parking lot at the Morning Star Baptist Church in Cleveland. Today, the Minutemen Service Organization gave away 1,140 turkeys to families in need. The organization committed more than $60,000 for food and turkeys for 25 Northeast Ohio cities from Cleveland to Akron. The giveaway didn't start until 10, but the line started forming before 7 this morning. Event organizers were thanked by the emotional people who said this one gift made their whole holiday.
That's the word, grateful. I mean, hugs and kisses and thank you.
I'm very grateful and blessed that you got me a turkey. And the line, and it wasn't even that bad just waiting in line, even though it's kind of chilly outside, but it's moving really fast.
Turkey recipients were also offered temporary jobs by the Minutemen organization. Some of those jobs last up to a week and offer pay at the end of the day. Next year, the Minutemen Service Organization hoped to have an even bigger event. Reporting live in the newsroom, Marielle Liu, News Channel 5.
Thank you, Marielle. Appreciate your story.